mau ke airport dan kita pakai tiket yang kemarin kan masih belum 24 jam tuh, jadi ya lebih murah jatuhnya, jadi kita bisa pakai si tiketnya itu buat ke airport. Kita coba lihat ke American Express lounge-nya kayak apa. Kita lihat.
We're thinking, yeah, we're gonna go to Prague, but they ended up here.
Masih di airport Arlanda, Sweden. Tapi kita belum flight karena ini delay banget si airlines-nya. Pakai Eurowings. Tapi kita belum berangkat sampai sekarang gitu sih. Luntang-lantung nih di airport, udah jam 5. Akhirnya setelah pesawat kita delay 4 jam lebih, ini kita udah sampai di bandaranya Ceko. Mau kemana? Kita lagi mencari transportasi buat ke hotel kita ke Praha. Kita udah sampai Praha. Oke, ikutin terus. Where are we?
Prague?
Welcome to Prague. Check-in. Unik gitu hotelnya.
So what are you looking for in Prague? What are your expectations?
Actually, I think Prague is similar to Budapest. That's what I'm expecting. Like, I want to see the architecture, the Old Town Square. That's what we've read about mostly in this area.
For moments to live. It is part of Stratov Minus. Have you seen it?
Yes, a couple of minutes from here, and for 400 years it was a couple of months. And living here recently, about 15 years ago, it became a public hotel for everybody. As you can see, it's pretty old-fashioned, right? You can feel this, I don't know,
The vibe?
the vibe of Old Prague, yeah, from medieval times. Here is the lounge room for the guests. You can use PC, or you can make coffee over here. And there is a restaurant over there. It's open from 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. So it's pretty good place for lunch. You can see the whole city from this place, Astrava Monastery, Petrogin Park, which is the biggest one. Yeah, so there's some old plating, which is very expensive. Yeah. Be careful of these little steps. So your room will be on the fourth floor.
I'm here for a day or two, so I'm not sure like what can we do like.
Everything.
Yeah.
It's Europe. Right here. Well, Prague is not that, I don't know, crazy in terms of nightlife, but yeah, it's pretty beautiful architecture-wise. I will go by stairs.
Thank you.
It's pretty white here, and you have everything on your page, the coffee. And so, bathroom, this door, it's locked, and it's blocking voices and other stuff. You won't hear them, so don't worry about it, and they won't be able to open it. So yeah. And if you have any questions, please call me. It's my number is 500. I'm always there. Any help or questions, always
Appreciate your time.
okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Welcome to Prague.
How much is this?
I don't know, maybe retail or
Well, I miss drinking Coke. I wanna have some Coke. I wanna have...
bisikin diam. Hai guys, ini aku habis naruh barang di hotel. Terus kita mau cari makan. Ini sekarang jam 10 malam tapi lihat masih terang banget. As you can see, di sini terang banget. Karena lagi summer.